This is three phase to three phase and three phase to single phase control box. Now I connect this control box first 2 meter to MCB. Maintain color code MCB to bus bar. This L1, L2, L3 bus bar and negative L1, L2, L3 bus bar and it's negative to negative. First I connect three phase to three phase control. Okay, phase 1, phase 2, phase 3 and its connection to 3 and load three phase. Now I put the indicator line 1 indicator, line 2 indicator, line 3 indicator, lamp 1, 2, 3 and negative side. Okay, now close and I connect voltmeter. Phase 1, 2, 3 and negative. 1, 2, 3. This side complete. This side complete. It's control three phase. Now I load single phase. First I connect. Now I say this first floor to ND floor, third floor. First I connect this RCGB and negative. Negative. And connect this one to to load and second floor connection, first floor, second floor, third floor, first unit, second unit, third unit, first room, second room, third room, any system its control. Okay, to load this negative this negative. And third one, negative, to load, negative. And this is earth, all device, earth system. Okay, total connection is complete. Same diagram, same any, and add another MC, another MC, another control MC, MCB, another magnetic contact, another protect device, another overload protect device. This diagram, it's simple diagram. Okay, thank you.